Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. Got a haul to share with you. My daughter had decided she's going to get me a few things I'd been asking for, and she wanted to get them for me early. So one of the things she got for me was this Cricut Easy Press Mini. And it's compatible with the new infusible ink. It's the smallest of the Easy Press. And I didn't think I needed the big one, so she got me the small one. And I'm looking forward to making a few things with it. It's all sealed in its little box, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to... Let me see if I can take her out so you can see what she looks like. Oh, you know, Cricut, you really seal your boxes up good. Let's see. So, let's see if I can get in there. And that's how she looks. She's really little, really kind of cute, kind of handheld and everything. So, I'm looking forward to using that. I'm going to like that. So, I got the Easy Press Mini. She got me the Easy Press Mat that you use with the with these Easy Presses, so you won't burn surfaces and stuff like that. So I'm looking forward to having that. It's for, you know, it's for iron-on things, so that's good. Got that. I got some with HSN. I ordered some foil transfer sheets because I got the foil transfer thing that you saw in my HSN haul. And so the smaller sheets came. There's 24, and this is like the jewel toned one, and this is like the natural tones, and that's the jewel tone, and these are the small. You get 24 in there, the jewel sampler and the metallic sampler. And then I got the large one, foil transfer sheets, and it's to use with the foil transfer tool, which is what I got and ordered from HSN. And these are the gold. And these are the silver. You get 8 12 by 12 in there and 8 12 by 12 in here. My daughter also was able to get me some when she was out and about at Tuesday morning. She picked up some vinyl transfer for me. So this is iron-on transfer, so it probably could work with my Easy Press. So I got this color. It says teal glitter. She got me the vinyl adhesive roll, and it's white. She got me the vinyl adhesive roll in gold. And she got me the Cricut strong grip transfer tape. I don't quite know what to do with it, but I'll figure it out. I got the vinyl adhesive in silver. Got the vinyl adhesive in crimson. Got the vinyl adhesive in, what color do they call this? Pink, light pink. The vinyl adhesive in black. So I think I'll have enough vinyl adhesives to make quite a few things. So I'll put these over there, and I'll show you what else she got for me. I mean, my daughter's all right. She's a good kid. Joanne's was having a clearance when she was looking around in there for some stuff for her job. And they had this Cricut paper on sale. And it was a clearance for $5.97. But I think she said it was much cheaper than this when she got up to the front. And these are all the colors that they have. How it all looks. I took them, I think I opened it. Let me give you a quick glance at it. Quick glance at it. Whoop. I got more, I gotta be careful because I usually tear these papers when I'm trying to get it open. Okay, oh, it's still, oh, there it is. Okay, it comes with this beautiful pink flowers. Oh, they're coming a little, maybe that's why they're on clearance. Let me get it that way. So there's the pink. There's the green. So you get, I think maybe you get 2 of each. And they're double-sided. This is the flowered watercolor looking one. It's double-sided. It has that on the back. Kind of a blue gingham. And it has green on the back. That's pretty. I think you get, uh-oh, they're stuck. Oh, I gotta took all that off. Don't want to tear my paper. I haven't got a chance to use it yet. So I hope everyone's having a good evening, good weekend. I'm really excited about this weekend and getting stuff done. And also just looking forward to the week. Oh, look at that blue. That looks like wallpaper. She'd have in an older home. Look at that. But wallpaper, they say, is making a comeback. Shoot. People are loving it. Now, this is the one that I think I like the best. I like that. I like that kind of stuff. And this is the back of that one. And I think that's the last sheet. So she got me that. Also, this one is by Natalie Madame. Oh, I thought I took all these ones off so I could show you. Okay, and this one has nice watercolor flowers too. It's also double-sided. It has the pink, a nice blue, yellow on the back, nice green and pink. This one looks like, oh, look at that. Showed you that one already. Here's another watercolor blue. That on the back. Looks like knitting. Hope I'm not flipping them too fast for you to see. That's a nice one. That on the back, the greens. I like the greens. I like the way the greens are looking. They look very, very pretty. Look at that. And look at that with the gingham. Ah, see, double-sided paper is always a dilemma with it. Because you got to decide which side that you like better. But at least you get 2 of each. And that's the last one in there. So these were on clearance, back in the clearance section in Joann, she said. Now, my friends, the big thing that my daughter got for me, and I'm jumping up and down about it, because my baby has arrived. Look at what she got me, you guys. Look at that. Can you all see it? Can you see it, my friends? Look at that. She got me the Cricut maker. The Cricut maker. Ah, the Cricut maker. She got that for me. The ultimate smart cutting machine. I am going to love this, you guys. I don't know how to use it very well. But I'm going to tell you, I'm going to spend all my time trying to figure it out. I'm going to be using everything. And then she got me an extra piece. I think it comes with, let's see what it says it comes with. Boy, this box is like heavy. Oh, go this way. Okay, let me see. I don't want to shake it up. So I think included in the box is the premium fine point blade, the rotary blade, and the fine point pen. Extra additional things you could buy is the knife blade, the scoring wheel, the washable fabric pen, and the calligraphy pen. I really want to get that calligraphy pen. So I'm going to save my money so I can get the calligraphy pen, the knife blade. I probably want all that stuff. And what she got me to go with this, as an extra add-in, she got me the scoring wheel combo pack. So I guess it's the scoring wheel and the double wheel. So that I can cross off getting, and I can just save my money for a knife blade, washable fabric pen, but I really want that calligraphy pen. Why, I don't know, but I think I do, so I can, work right, have it do all nice squirrelies and stuff. So That's my haul, my friends. My haul from my daughter with the Cricut maker. With the Cricut maker, the Cricut maker. I got a Cricut maker. Oh, I'm so excited about having the Cricut maker. Thank you, my friends, for joining me. And I will keep you posted on my progress with my maker. I got the Cricut maker. I'll keep you up to date on what I do with it. I'm gonna unbox it tonight and see if it works, because I've had it sitting around for a couple of days, so she's kind of mad at me about that it's still sitting around. Let me tell you a quick story about the maker, though. So on the day that it arrived, and she had, told me, and so she had sent me her thing to tell me that it was arriving. And so I was on a call because I'm working from home. I was on a call, and I go look at the little thing, and it says it's delivered. So I can't wait to get off this call from work, because I gotta go downstairs and get it. I gotta go downstairs and get it. So I'm off the call. I run downstairs. I open the door. I look down at the thing, and there's no Cricut maker, no box on my porch. And I'm like, where's my maker? Where's my maker? They said it was delivered. So I run back upstairs. I get my phone. I go, yep, it said it was delivered. So I look around my house. I look around the side of my house. I look around my house. I go, somebody stole my maker just that fast. And I'm like all upset, right? So I go back upstairs, and my house has cameras on it. So I look at the camera to see what time, and I look at the thing, and it says it was delivered at this time. So I go back to my camera, I speed back, and I go, there's no UPS camera. There's no guy on my camera. There's no truck on the street. I got to call UPS and see what happens. So I call UPS, right? And I go, hey, listen, you said it. She goes, oh, it's been delivered. And I go, where? It's not in my house. She goes, well, he says it's delivered. And I go, listen, lady, this thing cost a lot of money. It's a gift from my daughter, and it wasn't delivered. And I looked at my camera. He never even came to my door. So she goes, ma'am, I'll call you back. I go, whoa, whoa, whoa. You better call me back to him. What's your name and your number or whatever? So she tells me her name and her whatever and everything like that. And I'm walking around. I go, oh, somebody snuck up on my porch. But how did they sneak on my porch? What angle did they come from? How did they get there and steal my maker? And I go, no, the UPS guy kept my maker. That's what he did. He kept it, right? And I'm all having all kinds of things in my head about it, right? And so the woman calls me back. She goes, oh, he left your box at the neighbor's house. I'm thinking, what neighbor? And she tells me the address. I go, that's not my neighbor. That's way down the street. So she goes, well, could you go down there and see if the box is down there? And if it's down there, if it's not down there, give me a call back. And if it's down there, we're good. So I go creeping down the street to the neighbor's house, and I considered it creeping down to the neighbor's house because I didn't know these people, right? So I'm going on down to the neighbor's house, and I look at their porch, and I go, oh, a big box, my maker. So I go over to their porch, and they got a Ring doorbell camera, and I go, oh, I can't take it because suppose they think I'm stealing their box. I gotta go and tell them all about this. And I go, hi, my name is Jay. I live down the street. The UPS man delivered my box to your house. This is my box. I got my name on it. I'm going to take it back down to my house down the street. I'm not stealing it. It's my box. And so I get the heavy box real heavy. And I'm trying to go halfway down the street, which is a long way. I stop for a second, right? And I see my other neighbor. He waves. He goes, where you going with that box? And I go, that UPS guy delivered it down the street. He goes, what? If he didn't want to leave it, he could have gave it to me. But your car's out there. You're home. I go, yeah. And he goes, you need some help? I go, no, I got it because I don't want anybody else to touch my maker. It was almost gone. So I get it in the house, and here it is. I got my maker. My daughter got me a maker. But anyway, I got it now. And I'm going to be working on it. I'm going to be doing stuff. So, friends, I'll let you know the kind of stuff I'm making with my maker. Thank you for tuning in today. And if you're one of my subscribers, thanks for subscribing. If you're one of the people that drop by my channel, go ahead and subscribe. And I got my maker. So who knows what kind of stuff I could get into now. Press that button and subscribe. And if you're new here, thanks for being new. And if you like the fact that I got my maker and that my channel and I'm going to be doing all kinds of stuff and I'm so happy about my maker, give me a thumbs up. And I'm on my drive to get 300 subscribers. So if you're one of those people that stop by, please press that button and subscribe and help me get to my 300 subscribers. It's greatly appreciated. And also give me a like, because YouTube looks at those algorithms and people who look at my channel and like my stuff. It doesn't hurt. Just press that like button if you like what I'm doing. And I'll catch you all in my next video. I got my maker. Thanks, guys. Bye.